Welcome to our channel Day-to-Day Threats, where we explore the most intriguing mysteries in history. Today we delve into the case that sparked the phenomenon of unsolved crimes. Join us as we unravel the story of Jack the Ripper, the notorious serial killer who terrorized the Whitechapel district of London in 1888. Between August and November 1888, a series of brutal murders occurred in the poverty-stricken and crime-ridden area of Whitechapel in the East End of London. The killer, dubbed Jack the Ripper by the media, targeted female prostitutes. The victims, known as the Canonical Five, included Mary Ann Nichols, Annie Chapman, Elizabeth Stride, Catherine Eddowes, and Mary Jane Kelly. Each murder displayed a disturbing level of violence and mutilation. The investigation was led by Scotland Yard, but despite their efforts, the killer managed to elude capture. The intense public scrutiny and sensational media coverage surrounding the case captured the attention of the nation. One aspect that added to the mystique of the case was the emergence of several letters, purportedly sent by the Ripper himself. Whitechapel has undergone significant changes since the reign of Jack the Ripper, but the shadow of those crimes still lingers. And that concludes our investigation into the first unsolved crime, the chilling saga of Jack the Ripper. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing mysteries from the past. See you later and to the next episode.